Hey YouTubies, how's it going?
Hello YouTube.
Anthony's still alive. For in case some of you have been wondering. Alright, tonight we're having Dairy Queen. We're having the ultimate
Cookie.
ultimate cookie blizzard.
And there is so much different cookies in there you can hardly get any ice cream.
Well, I haven't even got a bite yet, so
My fault.
You should wonder what kind of cookies are in there. That is so good. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's like 4 or 5 different cookies. Well, had another surgery today.
Yeah. Had a fish gill put in. So once it heals up, I use that for his
Dialysis.
port for dialysis, yeah. Versus the one that's in his chest. Wish they gave us 2 spoons.
Yeah.
That would be nice. How you guys doing? Good, I hope. We've been out with Jax. Apple Jacks, as Anthony started calling him tonight. We took him to the park. He was so excited. We would have done it, brought him with us to do the video, but he gets so excited with the stuff. He's so adorable. I got where when I leave him for the end of the night, I gave him, or if I'm like leaving, getting ready to go with Anthony to dialysis, I gave him a milk bone. Sort of was a goodbye treat. Well, hang on. We got done taking him to the park just a little bit ago, and then I let him run around for a little bit, get his exercise and burn some of that energy. Got him back home, got all his gear off, meaning his harness and his leash. And then I got ready to leave, and I told him to sit, and I tried to give him a milk bone so that I could, head out of the yard and come with Anthony to go to Dairy Queen. He knew that I wasn't taking him with us. So he refused 4 different times to take that milk bone. He's like pouting. Oh, he's so smart. I felt so bad. Guilty. Yeah, if you've not tried this is, wow, really good. We got to Dairy Queen, and I was curious of which kind of flavor he was going to get. So here I am going through the list of the different flavors of blizzards. I missed saying one, because I said the ultimate cookie blizzard, and there was one left that I hadn't said.
Yeah, goes through all 8.
Yeah. Trying to guess which one he was going to get. Can you tell I'm not good at guessing things? We're our little, what I call our little spot.
Unfortunately, it's not always open.
Yeah. Can't see anything right now because it's dark, but it's a little...
Yeah, dam's right in front of us, the reservoir's to our right, and then the drain area is to our left.
Yeah. It'd be awesome to come here some night when stars are all out and everything.
Yeah, the problem is they're getting ready to close the dam, so this place is going to be closed.
Yeah. Like everything we want to do, it gets botched.
Okay, so you don't want no more? Okay.
I didn't say that.
I did.
No?
I said you don't want no more.
I didn't say that. I want some more.
Then hold it. My hand's freezing.
Oh. Well, I didn't know. Like I told you a while ago, I'm not a mind reader. read that cluttered mind of yours. Yummy.
They're right there. I can get a bite from down there.
All right, give me a second.
Bite. I didn't say there, but
you were pointing right there.
No, I wasn't. I was pointing right here.
You were pointing right there. You were pointing right there. Behave yourself.
I don't know how.
I know. Trust me. So yeah, when I get a chance, I might have to get some videos of Jack's. More videos. I got a couple of them ready to post probably this next week. But yeah, I gotta get some more of him. So adorable. So smart. I would never expected him to be so smart.
Yeah, one person at dialysis brought their dog. So we showed pictures. Jack's and the cats.
Yeah. Eating all my ice cream. How dare you?
I can let you walk home.
No.
Probably about 3-4 miles from here. It'd take you about a month.
Yeah. I wouldn't make it far.
You barely make it out of the parking lot. And it's a little parking lot. But,
I do better than that. Oh.
Watch it.
Get some Pepto for you when I get home. He's got the sour burps. Like, ah.
Yeah, my wrist is still all swollen.
Yeah. So we had to get up the crack of dawn for that.
An hour earlier than usual. They're like going through the list of things to do, and it's like, I keep telling them, I just did this last year, and I've had like 10 procedures in the last year. It's not a big deal.
Yeah. Wondering how he's going to react to the anesthesia. He's been fine. Each and every time. I only got one of these because we eat so much less anymore that she got really split.
You're not allowed to get 2 bites at one time.
I got 3.
And I told you you're not allowed to get 2 at one time.
Too bad. I break the rules.
Okay, I'll just finish this then.
No. Oh, it's beautiful outside. Okay, it's a little bit cloudy. I don't know if it's going to rain tonight or not. It rained.
It rained on the way to the surgery, and it rained a little bit on the way back.
Yeah, it's been raining a lot lately.
I finished it.
Yeah. No. I've been meaning to get Anthony on video with me, but he's not been feeling good a lot of time.
Well, dialysis 3 days a week. And there's been some weeks where I've had, 6 appointments? A couple of them?
Yeah. It's crazy. Exhausting. Like, go, go, go. Nothing like having health issues, not feeling like going anywhere other than back to sleep. And you gotta go here and there and yonder for
every day of the week.
Medical appointments. Yeah.
Well, every day of the week and on the only day is not Sunday. Monday, last week was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Oh yeah, because she had dialysis on Saturday. Yeah.
Mhm.
So, yeah. I love how it's got little chunks of chocolate in it.
Yeah, there's chocolate chips.
Oh, is it? Okay.
There's like 3 different kinds of cookies or something like that, and chocolate chips.
It's good. I tell it had Oreo. It almost like it tastes like it had a little bit of Butterfinger, maybe?
That didn't mix it very well. The very bottom is just pure vanilla. Or pure, yeah, vanilla.
It was so good, though. But yeah. I like it. But yeah, it tastes like it had Oreo. Tastes like it might have had Twix or even Butterfinger.
I think it was, I don't remember. You can always look it up on your phone later.
Yeah. That's what I'm going to do.
And if you guys want to look it up, you can look it up and post it.
Yeah. Yeah, the vanilla is good, but I'll admit it was better when it had the candy in there. Or the
Cookies.
Cookies. Alright. Alright, corrected myself. It's been a while since we've gotten anything like this. Gotten out like to get something.
Ready to go?
Try to get a bite.
Do I need to bite you?
No. I got bit enough recently by mosquitoes and ticks. Ugh. There you go.
Yeah, when we get home, I need to remember to take my house and pick.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna get ready to scoot. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Let us know if you've tried the Ultimate Cookie Blizzard from Dairy Queen, or if you're planning on trying it. It's good.
Probably a limited time, so
Yeah. Get it while you can.
but the large is kind of pricey.
Yeah, it's like $7.
Mm-hmm.
A little over $7, I think. So, just fair warning. So, alright. Okay, catch you guys later. Bye bye.
Take it easy.